Are you getting the call ended message for no reason while trying to make a call on your iPhone after the recent update? It's definitely frustrating to see this issue pop up, but the good news is fixing it is easier than you might think. Here is how you can resolve the call ended problem on your iPhone. Solution 1. Active the calling line for better performance. Open dialer. Type this *#31#. Then call this. You'll see setting will be succeeded. Quickly after that, swipe down. Enable airplane mode for 20 seconds. Now, turn off the airplane mode. Solution 2. Set most compatible network system for call. Open setting. Scroll down. Tap mobile service or cellular data. Scroll down. Tap network selection. Turn it off. Now, select your SIM card. Now go back to main cellular data setting. Tap cellular or mobile data option. Tap voice and data. Try to select the available network around your surroundings. If it's 5G, then set 5G auto or 4G. Depending on what you have, also make sure to enable VoLTE to have better voice over call. Solution 3. Eject and insert SIM card. Try to eject your SIM card from your iPhone. Waiting about 30 seconds, after that, reinsert the SIM card. And then check your issues. Most likely your problem is going to be solved right after that. Now, if you still have any issues, then follow the last solution. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open setting, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset iPhone, tap Reset, tap Reset network setting. Go and try to reset the network setting to fix your issues. Once you've done that, your problem should be resolved. If you still have any questions or need more help, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.